Hello everyone. Our today's topic is factorization. In algebra, that is commonly used part which is factorization. So if we are given some expressions, we have three methods to factorize the expression. First is by applying identities, then through midterm breaking, and then by grouping. So we will start with the first one by applying identities. We have three primary identities here in algebra which are given here. X plus y whole square should be equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. X minus y whole square is equal to x square minus 2xy plus y square. The third one is x minus 1 into x plus y, which is equal to x square minus y square. If you see, this side, right side of the equation is expanded form, and where you use brackets, this type of expression is called factorized expression. So now we are going to factorize. If you see, first question is x square plus 2x plus 9. How are you going to identify that here you are going to apply which method? So we have these three methods. To identify the method, first of all you should know that can you see any perfect squares here? So if you say yes, then this first one and then this last one, they are the perfect squares. This one will be x whole square and this one will be 3 whole square. So if I go back to my identities, here in this expanded form, I can see that here I have x square and then y square. Then what should be in the middle term? It should be 2 times x and y. Now come back here in the question. If you see, it is 2 times, first one is x, second one is 3. 3 2s are 6x. It is exactly the same. So it means that you can apply first identity here. This sign is going to tell you that which identity you are going to apply, either it's first one or second one. If it's plus, then you are going to apply this first identity. If it's minus, then you are going to apply this second identity. So here you are going to write that this will be equal to x plus 3 whole square. When you put bracket, so it means you have factorized the expression. This is the final answer. Now come to this second part. This is question number 2. Now if you see, this is x square, this is perfect square, perfectly fine. You can see that this is perfect square. 6 is not a perfect square. So we cannot apply this first method here. You cannot apply any identity. So I cannot apply identity here. So I have to choose between these two methods that which method I am going to apply. Grouping method applied when you are given with 4 terms in the expression. Here if you see 1, 2, 3, there are 3 terms. So you cannot apply grouping. You have to solve it with midterm breaking. If you see the number of terms here, 1, 2, 3, 4, there are 4 terms. So here you will apply grouping. So now start with the second one. We are going to start it with midterm breaking. What is the method for midterm breaking? You have to see the last term, this is 6, and first term, this is x square. Multiply both the terms. Sign is very important here. Plus 6 multiplied by x square is plus 6x square. So by multiplying you need plus 6x square, and in middle you have plus 5x. Now I need 2 numbers with which you are going to multiply. You will get 6x square, and if you are going to add or subtract the same numbers with same signs, you will get 5x. 6 ones are 6. Let's say 6 ones are 6. 6x multiplied by 1x gives you 6 x square, perfectly fine. So I'm going to add both the numbers. 6x plus 1x, is it equal to 5x? No. So these are not the factors. So what should I do then? Then I have to find some other numbers. If you see 3x multiplied by 2x, 3 2s are 6, x square, perfectly fine. 3x plus 2x, this is 5x. So this is the right number that you need. Now the method says that this is middle term breaking. So what is the middle term? This is the middle term. So you will break this middle term, this 5x, into 3x plus 2x. I'm going to write from here and I will write it in a way: x square plus 3x plus 2x plus 6. Now you have 4 terms. You are going to take common from 2 terms. What is common in these 2 terms? X is common. What is left behind? X plus 3. Plus plus is common. What is common? 2. What is left? X plus 3. Your bracket should be same with the same sign. If this is not same, then it means your middle term breaking is not correct. So here you are going to write x plus 3 into x plus 2. This is how you factorize. This is your answer. Now come to question number 3. If you see question number 3, here you have 4 terms. So when you see 4 terms, you have only one method to solve it, to factorize it, that is grouping. So you are going to solve, you are going to factorize it by grouping. For grouping, you have to see that in which 2 terms you can find anything common. If you see in these 2 terms, you can find x is common. So I'm going to write x and then x minus 3. Here you can see plus 2y. What is common? X minus 3. If you see, bracket is same, x minus 3 and x minus 3. Now you can write this is x minus 3 into x plus 2y. So this is your factorization.